it really necessary to watch our shocks being made? I know they're custom and special, but other drivers don't watch their shocks being made at Penske Racing Shocks.
But you're not just any other driver. We have to see how the magic happens.
With no shocks, you'll be dead. Do you even know how shocks are made? It takes hours of hard work to make them.
Welcome to Penske Shocks. It's a privilege and honor to have a driver and pit crew such as yourselves here. We usually work with drivers like Erica Enders, 6-time Pro Stock World Champion, but this is just extremely special. Welcome. Come on in.
Why do we need custom shock absorbers?
Because every driver is different and every race car is different. We custom manufacture and hand build them for every driver. That way everybody gets exactly what they want.
Hey, what do cars get when they're bad at school?
What?
Suspension.
What are the different jobs of people making the custom shocks?
So we have a large group. It really starts with the engineering. So engineering starts with an idea, which then gets transferred to a CAD software. They draw the part out, and then ultimately it goes to our machine shop. And the machine shop, that's where they program the part, and then they physically make the part out of the material.
Hi, I'm Matt Foley. I'm the machine shop manager at Penske Racing Shocks. We run every shock that we make here on a dyno to make sure that when it's on your car, it will be 100% functional to what you want. Basically, any shape you can dream up, we can create.
Hey guys, what do you call a car that's been out in the sun too long?
What?
Hot Wheels.
Oh. Why are shocks important to you?
The shocks are a big part of the racing game. It controls the whole timing of the car and can make it be either a good handling car that's fast or a not so good handling car.
So glad we learned how shocks are made.
I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to stay and work on one of these sweet jobs. Hey, what do parents give their babies for them to become future race drivers? Formula 1,